Hello friends! Each of us is afraid to fly on airplanes. And this fear is clearly justified. After all, airplanes sometimes fail or catch fire for reasons. At that time. And all this is very scary for passengers and not only. But let it be better not to happen at all. Therefore, I will show a video of the steepest landings of these huge airlines. And so I'll tell you a couple of interesting facts about which you probably did not know. For example, did you know that during the flight the pilot and his assistant eat different foods? If they suddenly want to poison the pilot so that his assistant could land the plane. Or else, have you ever wondered why the flight path is not straight? Airplanes fly in an arc. Because our planet is round. Sometimes the pilot makes a deliberate hard landing in rain weather to avoid aquaplaning. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my channel.